I forgot to continue recording. All right, so let's go over the facts. This is the in-game. There's me. These are the medals. This would explain why there's just a billion of them. But this is what's upsetting. This doesn't seem like something I would do. If I bought the battle pass, I'd try and take it here. This is trash, whatever, I wasn't here. This is trash, whatever, I wasn't here. Okay, so best match of limbs is 82. Whatever. If you want to say that, you want to say that. But score per minute is 506. You want to say that, you want to say that. There's no way to test it. The win percentage of 58%, which puts me in the top 13%. I'll argue that all day with oh, come on. There we go. 1.83. I win at least once every single time, and then I win 83% of the time on the next match. Like, win percentage 58%, that doesn't match that. These match, this does not. Let's just keep that in mind. Okay. Oh, look at that, look at that. All right, there we go. There's the next one. Score per minute, 945. 506. Like, $495, 7. This is the mode where you die though, because you die on the point. 627 score per minute. Kills, time, deaths, defense. 945. You want to do the math of like ratios? And 391. Okay, just think about how much I just killed in the previous match. And this is 391. And the kill death ratio is the KD is 1.24. Match summary. Okay. Scoreboard, 48 limbs. And I came in late. I came in fucking late. Don't ever pretend you can be me. Don't ever pretend you have what it takes to be me. Ever fucking again, whoever's on my account. Stay the fuck off my shit. Go play your own shit. Learn to play. No, seriously. It might hurt you that I say that, but fucking learn to play the game before you touch my shit. If you're gonna pretend to be me, do it in a real way. Look at that. 48 to 14. That is 3 to 1. It really is. But that's not three kills a minute. I don't sink my shit. Somebody feels hurt that they're exposed. Anything cool in the store? Alright, we got the girl that looks like a child soldier. She looks like an actual woman now. Like, she looks at least old enough to, like, be an adult about this. She just looks like a little boy because she's a girl and she looks pissed. Whatever. Gilly. Oh, look. I actually have to deal with NORAD. Look at this. Boot camp. Done. Grizzled veteran. Done. Light operator. Done. Like, humiliation, I think the knife is what I need. No. Kill a player with their own weapon 5 times. It's hard for some things to track. Done, done, done. Get 3 blind. This is hard. Using the blind fire option in this game is hard. It's not intuitive. It takes a lot of effort. The setup for doing this, because you have to get up to something and then shoot, is counterintuitive to the way I play. Killer. Get 15 kills without dying 3 times. Done it once, took it to atomic. Precision. Get 2 throwing knife kills. You actually need at least 8. And they have to be a long shot. This achievement right here, this was like 1 in Modern Warfare. Just do it once and it was like a feat of strength or something. Countermeasures. Destroy, like, this is all I need left is to find an enemy mine or C4 or something and blow it the fuck up. I might play just to finish this up. Field Specialist, kill an enemy within 3 seconds of using stim. That's all I need for that. Kill an enemy who was recently affected by a smoke grenade. That is like my bread and butter if you're giving me problems, because I'll throw the smoke and then I'll start like sword fighting it. Hold a hard point for 1 minute for a single match 40 times. Done. Get, like, this is trash. Like, kill confirm is not a good game mode. I don't like it. I don't really want to play out the rest of those matches. Look at that. 2-to-1 KD ratio on your team in team deathmatch 15 times. Definitely done. Capture, definitely done. Don't play search and destroy, because I don't like the mode. Don't play Champion Hill, because I don't like the mode. Champion Hill isn't like combined arms or anything in the other one. Perform 15 finishing moves. Done. Get a one-shot kill on 6 different players and in the same match 25 times. That's why you play Blitz. Get 50 close range kills without taking any damage from the player. You know I'd do that. Get 5 equipment impact kills. I threw the grenade, it hit you, you died, and then it blew up and killed everyone else. 100 melee kills. If, like, let's be honest, that should happen real quick and in a hurry. Tactician. Oh, we did this. This is whatever. I don't know why they do that. Like, is this just to show that you know that things break? 100 kills after reloading. You reloaded, people died. I just want to go over this again, because I'm upset. We can go over this all day. Whoa, what do you want to do, Blizzard? Alright. Alright, so this is the recording. Is there two? Okay. So that was, yeah, obviously it opened twice. Let's just look at the match real quick. Alright, and the match is going to be 9 minutes. And the sound's, oh, well, the sound's not all the way up. Alright. And it took me a while. Like, I didn't even notice, like, alright. Like, look at the warm-up. I didn't even notice this guy right here. Did not even notice him. Saw this guy, didn't even notice this guy. Did not. Did not notice this guy at all. Just because his back is turned to me and he's facing that way. Done. That's the Kingslayer. That's the king. That's the number one on the other team. The other guy died, alright? And that's the Kingslayer again because he came back. And then I get blown up by a bomb. And I can hear me on the keyboard in the video. Oh. Bad aim. Straight up bad aim. Too many people. Kingslayer, an Avenger. Like, if you look over here, you can see, just in case you want to check to see if I'm getting the kills or if I'm just getting eliminations. Started to throw a grenade. I think that's the only grenade I throw this whole thing. I don't know how to, like, look at that. Alright, let's think about that. Okay. I'm using the NZ41. And what the fuck is this? Oh, this is the gun being unlocked? Like, this is a new gun I should have? That was quick. I haven't played this game in, like, months. Literal months. Instant unlock? Should I check to see what the Vargo takes to unlock? What's the challenge? Get 15 close range kills, that was it? That's not a hard unlock. That really isn't. What was the challenge for the katana that was locked? Because the katana was locked on top of being locked. Get 5 kills with a melee weapon in a single match 15 times. In Warzone Pacific, let's try Vanguard. Get 5 kills with a melee weapon in a single match. And I tried to do this online, and I proved it failed. Like, no matter what, I proved it failed. Trello. And I have the Vanguard Trello. Like, I was paying attention to them fixing the game. Like, I've tried to make video games, if nothing else, on the small scale, so I know making video games is hard. But when this failed to work no matter what, and I proved it online, and like, we can go to my Reddit. Alright, so check it out. These white posts have been altered. These are frenzy kills, this is a frenzy kill, and this is a crazy grenade. Okay, I re-uploaded the grenade. I'm not that upset. People started voting on this finally. It's not the issue. Alright, comments. Here we go. I found their Trello for what they're working on. Like, this was 8 months ago. Probably longer. They say their Trello, they're looking. Vanguard Katana, not unlocked, not working. Katana, trouble with challenge. Trouble with challenge. Like, and let's think about this. I straight gave them everything to say, yeah, you want to find out if shit works? This is how you do it. The challenges are not tracking. This was fixed. This was added 9th, fixed at the 11th. I think I quit playing then, we can check. Wolves. Weird scores. Whatever. March 25th, February 20th, February 18th, February 14th, February 11th. Is that Brack? Like, I don't think Kotick, like Kotick, I don't know, does Kotick still work at Blizzard? He doesn't own Activision, he was just CEO. Because he sold it. Oh, he was CEO of, Coca-Cola said Friday that Bobby Kotick, CEO of video game publisher Activision, would not stand for re-election in the company's board of directors. Kotick is stepping down as the company works to complete the sale to Microsoft for $68 billion, the largest U.S. technological transaction in history. Yo, Blizzard, I'm gonna tell you what. With the way Putin has, like, started slaughtering people of intellect, And if nothing else, blacksiding by be like, yo, you want to go on a crazy vacation, do some wild shit with some whores? Like, whatever. Good for you guys for getting the money. Not that the people that started the company are getting a lot of it, if any. Brack is there, he might get some money. Like, Kotick gets a cut because he was CEO. This actually ended up as more money than I thought. Bill Gates and his whole company are slave drivers. Also, Microsoft is a dick joke because it got really big. Do you get it? But I would rather use a window than than eat the apple in the grand scheme of what it is to be karmic with video games and like computers. Also, eating the apple is trash because Apple don't do nothing. You need Windows to get out. He'll remain oh no, I guess not. He's done. This was back then. This is like one of the last things I said. I'd go on my Twitter, but you can only go so far back. You want to try? You want to see that? Let's see what we get. Let's see. Wolves. Kotick. Wolves. Twitter. And this is funny because only I can see this. Hey, what's up, bro? I'm glad you act like this is a family company. I didn't do any of these hashtags. I don't care. I didn't do any of these hashtags. I don't care. I don't need the fuck Bobby Kotick hashtags. I just need to be like, bro. Like, my point... Let's see if we can get this. I was like, bro, it's fucking COVID. It's COVID. It is like golden age period for WoW at some point. Like, everybody has to stay inside. Why would you do this? Let's try a different one. I could probably, like, get rid of all of these fucking caps. They don't want to talk about this. Let's see that. CDC. They don't want to talk about me right now. I do Twitter. Is this gonna show me? No. The heart, alright. See? Like, yeah. This was me telling Major Kill, who, like, if you look hard, is the bastard child of Kotick. He done fucked up. Once again, banned from Twitter, able to see my own shit. Talking about Prager U, who got busted for racism. How to end, yeah. See, like, Prager U. They would give you a 30-minute video on how they are or are not racist. Prager U gets dunked for tweet. Praised for accidentally calling America racist. Young people are enamored with anti-racist rhetoric because they think they are fighting racist systems in America. The truth is they are fighting America itself and the very values the country was founded on. Slavery and killing indigenous people for their shit. We ain't saying he's racist. We just saying this is what America was founded on, so fuck it. Like, that's all you really said. Oh, nice. Look at. Who knows if it's targeted advertising, but it's about body armor. Pele armor. Greatest cell phone in Twitter history. Yo, why are you mad? Hey, bro. Dude, look at ProgRU. Yeah, exactly. When I was like, yo, these ads, because that's what I told him. Because this is there was a tweet before this. Oh, look. We can't talk about this. Like, you want to see me? Dunzo. I am not to be seen. Like I said, when you once you're suspended, you're supposed to look at yourself and say, this is why I'm here. Eric Zimmerman, we went over this. But let's look at Eric Zimmerman again. You'd never guess I was working on a game set in Paris 68 riots. That guy says you're working on Saboteur too. What the hell did I say? I don't get to say shit. I obviously said something. Miss Violence, whatever. Call of Duty, Black Ops, Cold War, Reddit, old tweets, Major Kill 1. Let's, I guess you got bagged for deleting, bro. Probably said some wild shit, because that's what I do. Greatest cell phone in Twitter history. Bro, I told you that 30-minute ad you had running was going to get you fucked with. Katana, Trouble with Trello. Like... And I know there's more, but it ain't letting me go. The Trello again. You wanted me to like, alright, we can stop.